Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and today I have a box in front of me, and this is the Illustrated Faith latest kit called Revival, or actually Camp Revival. So I would like to unbox it with you. I think it'd be really fun. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and just cut it. I do not open this box until I go live because I want to make sure that you see what I see. And oh, I opened it up backwards. Of course I did. So there's the box, and it came with, oh, how cute is that? Little pink tissue paper that says Revival Camp. I bet you, anyways, what we could do is save this and make it a little die cut. So I'm gonna definitely try to save that and make it a die cut in a project. I think that would be really fun. And we have, oh, Summer Revival Camp Kit 1 of 3. Okay, so I've got, let's just check out what we have. Lots of stuff. It's different this year, this month than it's been. So this is new, and I love seeing things that are a little bit different than before. And isn't that cute? It's got like a little thing of trail mix, and it's sewed shut. Isn't that funny? Isn't that just adorable? Okay, let's check it out. So we have this thing that says Kit 1 of 3, and it says, "Hey campers, this month's kit will be a new adventure for us. I'm so thankful for the encouraging and challenging words from my sweet friends. I know your hearts will be revived in drawing closer to Jesus as you read their devotionals. Enjoy exploring the Word and have fun with this Revival Camp Kit." It says, let's unpack this kit together. The heart of this kit is the devotionals. This month I'll be kicking us off with devotional on exploring what Jesus has for us this summer. And then Tanya will be doing prayer, Lynette will be doing fellowship, and Lakeisha will be doing heart. And so we have kit, it says Kit 1 of 3. And then it says, what is in the kit? One of my favorite things about this camp are the little badges that you get to collect along the way. So I think, let's see if they're in here. They look like they're in here. And it has, this is like a little burlap, no, not burlap, canvas? Yeah, a little canvas bag that's been stamped Revival Camp on it. And inside you get your patches. Are these just the cutest things ever? They remind me of when I used to be a Girl Scout. And so this one says prayer. This one says fellowship. This one says explore. And that one says heart. And I think what I'll do with these, I'm going to try to make some bookmarks out of them, as I think they'd be really cute as I work in my Bible to kind of put them on top and make them a bookmark. But we'll see what we do, and I'll definitely let you know if I do anything cool like that. But these are just, those are the badges, and they are absolutely fun and adorable. I love this one that has fellowship. It's like there's like a bunch of little crosses on there. And I think they're adorable. I'm trying to see if the heart one, I was thinking that the heart background might be hearts, but I don't think it is. I think it's just dots, because that would have been a really interesting stitch there. And Explore is really cool too. So aren't these just the greatest? Okay, so that's one of her favorite things, and it says, the next one is, raise your hand if you love wood grain washi. So this says freckledfawn.com. This is interesting. So this is not Illustrated Faith washi. It's coming from a different company. All right, let's open it up and check it out. It's like it's new, different. It's different. We like different. Different is interesting and neat sometimes. So we like to see things new and interesting. All right, come on. There we go. And so let's check this out. It's a decent size washi tape, and it's got, looks like just wood grain. Okay, and as we look at the wood grain, it's actually really unique. I'm not sure if the camera is picking this up at all, but the wood grain actually has hearts on it in the middle. So it's really absolutely adorable. I love it. Okay, the next thing it says, one of the things we heard most from you is that you missed the 4x6 stamp sets. So we brought production back to the United States to produce a higher quality stamp right in time for camp. Okay, so higher quality stamp is what they're saying, and let's find out. And it is actually, yay. So it looks like these are polyphotomer stamps instead of the standard what they were using. I think they were using silicone stamps. So these are definitely a higher quality stamp, and that's fantastic. I love the little arrows here. And we have the little badges as well. We have Explore, Prayer, Fellowship, and Heart. It says Let's Explore, Heartbeat for God. You've got the trees, you've got the tent, the heart, the star, the cross. It says Tugging on Our Heart. This is a great large stamp set. I think it's really awesome. And then it says, the next thing says, spell out exactly what Jesus is laying on our heart this summer with adorable micro mini polka dot alphabet sticker sheets. Okay, well, let's check those out too. So these are Illustrated Faith polka dot sticker sheets. Oh wow, you get a lot. Wow. So you're gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets of stickers. 5 sheets of stickers, guys. That's awesome. Fantastic. I can't wait to use those. And then it says, we've collected some adorable paper pieces for your camp pages this summer. Stick them in your favorite Bible verses for a visual reminder of this time together. I'm thinking it's this. Paper pieces. That's these. And so you're just going to punch them out. And be careful when you punch them out. Don't want to take off Bambi's head here. So just punch them out really carefully, and you can use that as well in your Bible journaling. Aren't those adorable? I'm going to just try to poke one out for you. I try to be careful so I don't accidentally cut off Bambi's head or leg. But aren't those neat? So you have your little cutouts, and it looks like you're getting a little Explorer ribbon here, and a lantern, and some paddles, and a car. It says Forward with Faith. This is going to be so fun to do, I think. And the last thing it says, I'm beyond excited to be packing some camp goodies to send to you. Throughout Revival Camp, I will be sending you some trail mix to add some fun little bits and bobs to your beautiful pages. Open it up for a fun and unique surprise. Boy, okay, so if I'm opening this, I love this that has the sewing. So I'm going to open it at the bottom. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to keep the actual little baggie intact at all if I do it from the bottom, but we'll give it a shot. If not, we'll just open it, and then we'll have it open at the bottom, which is totally okay. Yeah, I'm not doing a good job. Okay, come on, here we go. Oh, you get like a lot of little buttons. Don't lose those when you open them up. How cute. Little buttons, and you have a ribbon, and mine is just MNOP, like school. And then you get a little tag, and this thing says capture. I got one that says capture every moment. I'm not sure if yours will be different than mine, but it's so cute. And I can totally see me using this little bag as well. So cute. And lastly, we have this, and this is the devotional, and I'm so excited to see the devotional content because it is, you know, one of my favorite pieces about any kits. And so you're going to have just some information. You're going to have a verse on it. Like this one is Shanna. She did Explore, so she's your camp host. And then so she's sharing just some information with you, what she thinks. And then we have Tanya, and she wrote as well, and then she has some questions for you. And then we have Lynette, and so she wrote something, and then she has a question. And then Lakeisha, and she wrote quite a bit, and then she has a question too. So isn't that just absolutely fun? I think the Revival Camp is going to be really fun to use this month, and I'm super excited. I'm really in the camp mood for some reason. I feel like, you know, the kids are going back to school soon and they've been to camp, so it's now time for Mom to get to camp too. So I look forward to just sharing with you all of the fun things we're going to be doing here at Bible Journaling Ministries with this really fun kit. So I'll definitely have a video for you that has a review as I play with it and some samples as well in the blog. I hope you have a lovely day now, and we'll talk to you soon. Goodbye!